Utomobong, a gathering of the 12 ancestral families of the Ifugibrutu kingdom to celebrate and encourage their king, who has been fearless in defending his people.
My name is His Royal Highness Etubom Basi Oko Basi Duke. I feel very, very happy. I was the first person to be with the Obong at the time he came in. We are very delighted to have people come around again to ensure that they pay homage, due homage, and show their happiness with the Obong of Calabar.
The significance of this event is an expression of joy and gratitude from all of us in the kingdom. He ascended the throne in 2008, and it's been 15 years of very peaceful reign.
My name is Sir Frank Edit. I'm a general in the palace, and I work with the media team. We are gathered here to celebrate the 15 years of our monarch on the throne of the people. It's a beautiful event, and all the houses, all the clans, traditional dances, groups, masquerades, everybody will be out here at the palace, where we'll take a procession, a very powerful procession for that matter. It's an epoch-making event. We will now process to the Duketown Presbyterian Church, Yamba Street, to thank God for His mercies for protecting our king for the past 15 years, despite the ups and downs of litigation here and there. But he has come out clean. So we are here to celebrate that.
The celebration has grown in leaps and bounds and become a tourism spectacle as sons, daughters, and friends of the Ifugibrutu kingdom come together from all over the world to pay obeisance to the king. The celebration this year is a week long with different activities and events to mark it, starting with a crystal Thanksgiving marking 15 years on the throne. It is a royal procession that starts from the palace to the Duketown Presbyterian Church of Nigeria. At the entrance of the palace, traditional rite is done to welcome the king back to his palace and also thank our ancestors for being with us.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give up Ifugibrutu. Nitaite. Tang bukuri ko ema. Fred usanidara. Edi yang da ufanga mindi kom metubumi. Ya monoitem ya motue kong. Amiru da ke sami ena mutume tieti ya. Mara wana di nita kanyen nita tenyi na mi tere du ke sami eri de ndi order jiri wore yang mari kori ikut mo Obong of Calabar Executive Forum. Mo kamotum mo bi so ke di wang boy nam de. So ma banga tieti. Nta yak mo do ku fort nyam ku pro. Inam sana di nam. Tak bahasa dulu ya kukunya. Esong.